hey cluckers, we're back, Alton Towers. We're in the car park at the moment, heading over to the fireworks display. We're here, give you a bit of a sense of what's going on. Very busy today, very busy night. People still arriving in the car park now. So we're going to get on the monorail, we're going to get into park, show you some of the footage, give you our review. So let's go. Top tip of the day, arrive early now. Obviously we were in work, so couldn't come any earlier, but come now, there's still a queue to get on the monorail, so get here as soon as you can for a fireworks display. Don't leave it to the last couple of hours thinking it's going to be a cakewalk. We're going to struggle getting in on time, I think, but stay tuned, hopefully we get there, show you some footage. Let's go. So we made it off the monorail with 14 minutes to spare. We'll get through ticket gate and get to the lawns. So let's go. We're through the ticket gates. We're on the way now to meet some friends on the front lawns. It's very busy. Like I said before, if you can get here earlier, make sure you're here. And like I say, so many people. And today's the quieter day of the three. So we made it just in time.
I'm here on official Merlin business.
It's on official Merlin business. We've heard it here first.
You've been up since...
We're officially on the 5-minute warning. 5 minutes, fireworks. Woo woo!
Sailing to the stars and roaring fire. And tonight, there is the most magical story of all to be told. A story that could only be it. It is the story of today. The story of you. Once upon a time, on a day set to become extraordinary, we journey towards a place like no other, then escape into a world larger than life.
You're to join my pirate crew, are you? Then aboard the galleon, you scallywags. Let us raise the sail and prepare for battle!
An end to the fireworks. I'm going to be honest, not as good as last year, I don't think. They had a water projection fountain thing like Disney use sometimes. Just didn't really work very well. Theming wasn't great. It's still cool though, I mean in points it's still cool, I still like the fireworks, but yeah, not quite as cool. We're going to go hit some rides though, we've got a couple of hours left till the park officially closes. Yeah, thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe, and we'll catch you again soon.